Here's the new lights I got for the front of my Ram truck to attach to the bull bar that I put on a couple weeks ago. They're cheap, LED. They're white and amber, so they're driving lights and fog lights. And they have a strobe function as well, just for fun or emergencies. And I didn't make an installation video because I wasn't talking yesterday. I just didn't feel like it. But here they are. They were really easy to put on. It only took an hour. Remember, the bar itself had pre-drilled holes and it had a rubber plug there, so I just popped the plug out, bolted them in. Here's a picture of what they look like. They came with no instructions, which I would have liked to read some instructions. Sometimes they're not synchronized, so if anybody knows anything about that or any shortcuts of how to sync them up, they eventually do get synced, but you'll see in the nighttime video that I shot here, they go out of sync, but then they come back. And of course I emailed and got no answer. These are simple plug and play. I'm going to tie this wire up, but I'll show you. Plug to the light, and they just bolt inside there. There's an access hole underneath for me to be able to tighten it up. And the main wires I ran, I don't know if you can see, but remember I cut this slit in here for my bull guard. They fit right in there, nice. So it was pretty easy. And then they went up to the battery. Under the hood here, I hooked it straight up to the battery. And here, there's the hot wire. I could move it to a switched location, which I might do. And I grounded it to the body here, but you could ground it to the negative terminal as well if you want to. Then I fed the wire through the hole in the firewall, which I had earlier from something else I connected. I forget what. Oh, my CB. And I used the protective. And I used this protective wire wrap. So that went in to the switch. And I'll show you the switch inside. Here's the switch, which I didn't mount yet. Push it hard once. I'm going to mount it right here, but I didn't do it yet. I want to clean that off. It's sticky on the back. Push it once, it goes on. They flash a few times and then settle into white driving mode. Then you push it halfway and you switch through your modes. I see out there they're blinking. Blink white, blink yellow, and stay on amber. And that's off. Hard press is off and on. Soft press changes the modes. Okay, I guess I'm going to mount that there. You can put it wherever you like. And this set only cost me $49, which I figured, that's alright, right? Heck yeah. I tilted them down somewhat, so not to bother any other drivers. I can adjust them better. This is only the first day, and I'm glad it's raining out right now. So it was pretty easy. Get yourself a set if you want. Okay, I'll put a link down there. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what I recorded yesterday, right after I installed them. There you go. lights are dull. New lights, like them. Alright, it's dark and raining out. I'm going to show you how far we can see in the dark with these lights. I pointed them down farther to the ground so not to blind oncoming traffic, but it's bright out here. I could see farther than I could see in the camera here, I could tell. But anyway, I like them. Man, they drive me crazy, huh? Woo! That's just for fun and emergencies, that flashing crap. Fog lights are going to be good. You know that, right? Whoa. Well, that's how they look in the dark. Raining out of blood. You know I like to rain. I like them. It only costs like $49. Can't go wrong, right? Alright, see you in the daytime.